Yo guys, today I'm going to show you all how to get unlimited funds added to your PlayStation account for completely free. And with this, you're going to be able to pretty much get, free games, all the transactions you want, like the microtransactions like COD points, Fortnite V-Bucks, anything you guys want in games for free with this method. And overall, you're just going to be able to get any game you want for free as well, because you're going to be able to get free money in your wallet balance, guys. And you can literally get like hundreds of dollars a day doing this method. It's so simple. You're going to be able to do it all from your phone. I'm going to show you guys an example of me doing it, like getting the free money, and then I'll show you guys how to set this up on your own phone. And yeah, it does work for iOS and Android. And yeah, it works for both PS4 and PS5 or even PS3. I don't think any of you watching this though still play PS3 though, but yeah, whatever like you play on, it will work. But anyways, guys, let's get right into it. Leave a like on the video, guys, for this awesome method, and subscribe please. And now let's get right into it. Alright guys, so for this method, all you're gonna need is this app right here called PlayStation Plus Plus. I'm gonna show you guys all how to install it later in the video, because you can't get it like from the App Store or the Google Play Store like how you normally get your apps and games on your phone. But don't worry guys, I'm gonna show you exactly how to download it for free. However, first what I want to do, guys, is show you an example of me actually getting like the PlayStation funds for free, or the PlayStation gift cards, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'm just gonna open up the app and show you guys. So this is what it's gonna say when you first open it up. But yeah, let's go ahead and tap OK, and then I'm gonna go over to the three dots right here, or three lines. That's my PSN name, by the way, if any of you guys want to add me. I usually play GTA 5 and COD. That's mainly like my two main games that I play. But anyways, guys, you're gonna see payment methods, right? Go ahead and select that, and then it's gonna select payment settings, and then it's gonna show your wallet balance. So this is where like you get the free money. So just go ahead and select add, and every time you tap on that, it actually adds like free money straight into your account. As you guys can see, like I'm getting free money every time I do it, so it's pretty crazy. And yeah, this is like real money that I can go ahead and use to buy games. Or like like Fortnite V-Bucks or whatever, like anything you want to buy in games too, like shark cards, all of that you'll be able to get for free. And yeah guys, as you can see, like this is free money because as you can see, I don't have any payment methods. Like you don't have any payment methods on file, so I wouldn't be adding this from like my card or like my bank or anything. Like it's literally free money that I'm getting straight to my account. So it's pretty awesome, guys. I'm gonna stop right there at $100, but I just wanted to show you guys that yeah, you can do as much as you want. And yeah, you won't get banned for doing this or anything. It's really insane. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and show you like how to download this app onto your iOS and Android devices, so you guys can do this as well. So the first thing that we have to do is we gotta change like some settings on our iOS devices, and Android devices. That was like a tongue twister, but yeah, guys, we gotta change some settings on both of our devices to make sure that our device is like compatible with the app download. So first I'll show you guys what to do on iOS. So open up your settings on iOS, and then go ahead and scroll down a bit and find where it says battery. Go ahead and select it, and then you're gonna see like low power mode, and you guys are just gonna want to make sure that you have this turned off. So as you can see, I have it off right now. The reason we have to do this, by the way, is because like it can mess up the download if you have it on like while you're downloading the app. Anyways, once you've done that, exit out of there, but stay in settings, because now you're gonna want to find general. Go ahead and select the general option, and then in general you're gonna want to look for background app refresh. Select it, tap on it here in the top, and you're just gonna want to make sure you have it turned on to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. As you guys can see, I have it on right now to one of them, but yeah guys, just select one of those and make sure it's not off. Then back out of here, back out again. Stay in general still, because now we're gonna scroll up and select the about option. Select that, and then you'll see where it says software version, right? You're just gonna want to make sure that you have this turned on. I mean, not turned on. I meant to say that you have it on iOS 10 or above. So as you guys can see, I have iOS 14, so that's perfect. And yeah, you just gotta make sure you're above iOS 10, and you should be fine. That's gonna be all the settings that we have to change on iOS. Now, if you guys are on an Android device, we also have to change some settings really quick before we can download the PlayStation Plus Plus app. I don't know why I opened up that, but yeah, what I meant to do, guys, is open up these settings. So let me go ahead and find the settings app here. Here it is right here. So yeah, open up these settings on your Android, and you're gonna first want to find like the search bar, or like the search settings option in your Android settings. So select it, and you're gonna want to type in the word unknown. So as you guys can see, I already have it saved in here because I've typed it before, but to spell that, it's gonna be UNKNOWN. So make sure you guys spell this correctly. Now go ahead and select it, and then you should see an option that says install unknown apps. Go ahead and select that. And this is gonna pull up like a list of apps on your Android, and what you guys are gonna have to do here is look for the browser that you use. So I use Google Chrome. I'm not exactly sure like what browser you guys use. You might use like Firefox or something different. But whatever browser you use, guys, select it. You should see it in there. So like I said, I use Chrome, so I selected that. And then you're gonna see something that says like allow from this source. And what you guys have to do is just make sure that this is enabled. As you guys can see, I have it enabled right now. And by the way, guys, it might tell you like that it's like risky to enable this, or that you shouldn't do it because you can get a virus or whatever. Just ignore that, guys. This is completely safe to download, and like after you install it, you can go ahead and turn this back off if you want to. But anyways, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you like how to actually download the app, because we've already changed all the required settings and stuff. So yeah, guys, let's get into it. So anyways, if you're on iOS, I'll show you guys what to change, how to download it on iOS, and then I'll show you guys how to download it on Android. So open up your browser on iOS, guys, and you're gonna want to go to this website called ulustore.com. So yeah, go over to it, guys, ulustore.com, and once you're on here, find like the search bar, and you're gonna want to type in the name of the app that we want to download. So that's gonna be PlayStation. There it is right there, guys, PlayStation Plus Plus. Now you're gonna see this button that says install. Go ahead and select it, or tap on it. And now we just gotta wait a bit for this to load. And this usually takes around like 15 to 30 seconds to load. So yeah, we'll just wait for it. And while it loads, make sure you guys leave a like on the video and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that. But yeah, we're just gonna wait a bit here. And then I'll show you guys what we have to do next. And then I'll show you guys how to download it on Android as well. But yeah, it's gonna go ahead and say this website is trying to download configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Go ahead and select allow, and then it's gonna say profile downloaded, and we're gonna tap close and exit out. And then we're gonna open up our settings. And then guys, scroll down and you will see general. Select general, then scroll down again and look for profiles and device management. Select it, and you should see PlayStation Plus Plus right there at the top where it says downloaded profile. Tap on it, and then go ahead and tap install. And then it's gonna say enter your passcode. If you don't have one, you don't have to type it in, but I'm just gonna type mine in. Then tap next, install again, and then install. Tap done. And now guys, when we exit out, PlayStation Plus Plus is now on our iOS device. As you guys can see, we can go ahead and start using it. Now when you do open it up for the first time, guys, you won't be able to start using it right away, and that's because you got to go ahead and complete like the last step, which is going to say this, you know, missing files, additional files, blah blah blah. Just to like complete that, just tap go and follow the instructions, and you should be good. But guys, that's going to be like how to download it on iOS. Now I'm going to show you guys how to get it on Android. So follow along with me. So to get it on Android is pretty simple as well, but it's a bit different because this time we're downloading an APK. So open up your browser on your Android and go to the same website. So that's ulustore.com. And once you guys are on here, what we're going to want to do is find the search bar, type in PlayStation, and boom, there it is right there, PlayStation Plus Plus. Go ahead and select install, or tap on it. Wait for this to load. And then I'll show you guys what we have to do next. But yeah, guys, we're just gonna wait for this to load. Let's give it a couple more minutes. I mean, not a couple more minutes, a couple more seconds. My bad, guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what it says. And it should go ahead and say, do you want to download the app APK? So when you see this, this is perfect. Go ahead and tap download. It's going to say downloading file, and we're going to go and tap open. And boom, it's going to say, do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access. Go ahead and select install. And now we just got to wait for this. And now it's going to say app installed. We're going to tap done and exit out. And then guys, we should see PlayStation Plus right there. And like I showed you guys on iOS, when you do open it up, or like try to open it up for the first time, you won't be able to use it right away because like I said, you have to do that last step, which I'll show you guys right now. So yeah, it's gonna say like missing files, additional files are required. So just go ahead and like follow what it says and do it, and you should be good. But that's gonna be it for the video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and enjoy your free PlayStation funds, guys. Peace out.